everyone. I'm Deviya Sigamani Maslamani. I'm first presenter of this team. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to explore how digital whiteboards are transforming the way we present and collaborate. The digital whiteboard is a modern electronic version of the traditional whiteboard. It combines the simplicity of a whiteboard with the power of digital technology. I'm Priyanka. I'm second presenter of this team. One of the most significant advantages of electronic whiteboards is their capacity for remote collaboration. With this device, teams can collaborate in real time regardless of their physical locations. Whether it's business within a virtual classroom or a creative brainstorming session, electronic whiteboards bridge the gap and facilitate engagement among participants.
Hi guys, thanks to my favorite I'm 3rd% of this team. Digital whiteboards come with software that provide a range of features such as drawing tools, annotated documents, import, export, and interactive elements like visual, sticky notes, shapes, and multimedia interaction. The software.
Hi, I am Parendra Singh. I am the 4th presenter of this group. Digital whiteboards have become valuable tools for improved collaboration, communication, and learning experience in various settings. Their versatility and interactive capabilities make them a popular choice for those looking to engage audience and work together more efficiently.
Hi, I'm Kamalaran Sandramovet. I'm the last presenter of this team. In educational settings, digital whiteboards are used to create interactive lessons, display educational content, and engage students in a more dynamic way. They often support education software application and can enhance students' engagement and also timely for learning areas.